What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As I promised, I have come back with the most important question of Animal Kingdom Part 2. So, by not wasting any further time, let's get started. Question number 1. Classification of sponges is primarily based on the A. Body organization, B. Body plan, C. Skeleton, and D. Canal system. And the right answer is option C. Skeleton. Question number 2. Symmetry in Cnidaria is A. Radial, B. Bilateral, C. Pentamerous, and option D. Spherical. And the right answer is option A. Radial. Question number 3. Cavity of coelenterate is called A. Coelenteron, B. Coelom, C. Cavity, and D. None of these. And the answer is option A. Coelenteron. Question number 4. Sea anemone belongs to phylum A. Protozoa, B. Porifera, C. Coelenterata, and D. Echinodermata. And the right answer is option C. Coelenterata. Question number 5. Medusa is the reproductive organs of A. Hydra, B. Aurelia, C. Obelia, and option D. Sea anemone. And the right answer is option B. Aurelia. Guys, these questions are very important for any type of competitive exams. So, you can have screenshots while watching the video. Next, question number 6. The excretory cells that are found in Platyhelminthes: A. Protonephridia, B. Flame cells, C. Solenocytes, D. All of these. And the right answer is option B. Flame cells. Question number 7. In which of the following organisms self-fertilization is seen? Option A. Fish, option B. Roundworm, C. Earthworm, D. Liver fluke. And the right answer is option D. Liver fluke. Question number 8. Nephridia of earthworms are performing same functions as A. Gills of prawn, B. Flame cells of planaria, C. Trachea of insect, and D. Nematoblasts of hydra. And the right answer is option B. Flame cells of planaria. Question number 9. Phylum of Taenia solium is A. Aschelminthes, B. Annelids, C. Platyhelminthes, and D. Mollusca. And the right answer is option C. Platyhelminthes. Question number 10. Ascaris is found in A. Body cavity, B. Lymph nodes, C. Tissue, and D. Alimentary canal. And the right answer is option D. Alimentary canal. Next, question number 11. Which of the following animals has a true coelom? A. Ascaris, B. Ferretima, C. Cycon, and D. Taenia solium. And the right answer is option B. Ferretima. Question number 12. Metameric segmentation is the main feature of A. Annelida, B. Echinodermata, C. Arthropoda, and D. Coelenterata. And the answer is option A, Annelida. Question number 13. In Pheretima, locomotion occurs with help of A. Circular muscles, B. Longitudinal muscles and C. Circular longitudinal muscles and D. Parapodia. And the right answer is option C. Circular longitudinal muscles and Question number 14. Body cavity lined by mesoderm is called A. Coelenteron, B. Pseudocele, C. Coelom, D. Blastocele. And the right answer is option C, coelom. Next, question number 15. Which of the following have the highest number of species in nature? A. Insects, B. Birds, C. Angiosperms, and D. Fungi. And the right answer is option A. Insects. Question number 16. Which of the following is a crustacean? A. Prawn, B. Snail, C. Sea anemone, and D. Hydra. And the right answer is option A. Prawn. Question number 17. The respiratory pigment present in cockroach is A. Hemoglobin, B. Hemocyanin, C. Oxyhemoglobin, and D. None of these. And the right answer is option D. None of these. Question number 18. Book lungs are respiratory organs in option A. Insects, B. Arachnids, C. Molluscans, and D. Echinoderms. And the right answer is option B. Arachnids. Next, question number 19. Exoskeleton of which phylum consists of chitinous cuticle? A. Annelida, B. Porifera, C. Arthropoda, and D. Echinodermata. And the right answer is option C. Arthropoda. Question number 20. In cockroach, vision is due to A. One compound eye, B. Two compound eyes, C. Two simple eyes, D. Two compound and two simple eyes. And the right answer is option B. Two compound eyes. Question number 21. Which of the following is an insect? A. Moth, B. Mites, C. Prawn, D. Scorpion. And the right answer is option A. Moth. Question number 22. Which of the following respires through gill? A. Whale, B. Turtle, C. Frog, D. Prawn. And the right answer is option D. Prawns. Next, question number 23. Animals which active at night are called A. Diurnal, B. Nocturnal, C. Parasites, D. Noctodiurnal. And the right answer is option B. Nocturnal. Question number 24. Salient feature of arthropoda is A. Aquatic and free living, B. Chitinous exoskeleton and jointed appendages, C. Radula, and D. None of these. And the right answer is B. Chitinous exoskeleton and jointed appendages. Question number 25. The second largest number of species containing phylum in the animal kingdom is A. Annelida, B. Arthropoda, C. Mollusca, and D. Chordata. And the right answer is option C. Mollusca. 26. Mollusca is A. Triploblastic acylomate, B. Triploblastic coelomate, C. Diploblastic acylomate, and D. Diploblastic coelomate. And the right answer is option B. Triploblastic coelomate. Next, question number 27. Tube feet are the locomotory organs of A. Platyhelminthes, B. Echinodermata, C. Mollusca, D. Arthropoda. And the right answer is option B. Echinodermata. Question number 28. Arms are absent in A. Sea urchin, B. Sea cucumber, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. And the right answer is option C. Both A and D, means sea urchin and sea cucumbers. Question number 29. Scientific name of starfish is option A. Echinus, option B. Limulus, option C. Echinida, and option D. Asterias. And the right answer is option D. Asterias. Question number 30. The echinoderms are A. Arboreal insects, B. Marine animals, C. Terrestrial insects, and D. Freshwater worms. And the right answer is option B. Marine animals. Question number 31. In echinoderms, tube feet are related with A. Locomotion, B. Excretory system, C. Respiratory system, and D. Reproductive system. And the right answer is option A. Locomotion. Question number 32. Lateral line sense organs occur in A. Salamander, B. Frog, C. Water snake, and D. Scoliodon. And the right answer is option D. Scoliodon. Next. The jawless vertebrate is A. Crocodile, B. Joris, C. Hyla, D. Fox, and E. Petromyzon. And the right answer is option C. Hyla. Question number 34. Air bladder occurs in A. Torpedo, B. Anabas, C. Scoliodon, and D. Elasmobranch. And the right answer for question number 34 is option B. Anabas. Question number 35. The limbless amphibian is option A. Ichthyofish, B. Hyla, C. Rana, D. Salamander, and E. Bufo. And the right answer is option A. Ichthyofish. Question number 36. Salamander can regenerate A. Tail, B. Limbs, C. External gills, and D. All of those. And the right answer for question number 36 is option C. External gills. That's it for today. If you find it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.